Halos lahat na siguro ng tao sa Pinas may kotse, mahirap man o mayaman. Service papuntang trabaho, service pang outings ng buong pamilya, gamit papuntang school. Pero, tandaan natin, ang kotse, sa tagal at di tamang paggamit, ay nagkakaroon din ng sira. Saan ba sila pwedeng ipaayos? Sa mismong pinagbilihan? O sa pinakamalapit na Autoshop?
펼쳐진 눈앞에 저 태양이 길을 비춰 절대 멈추지 마 Maria, Ave Maria 저 힘든 길 따라 Maria, Ave Maria 꽃이 파도 따윈 상관없이
Now, as a manager and senior mechanic, yung duties ko include diagnosis of severe cases or complicated issues. Now, every vehicle is diagnosed differently based on symptom, based on kung anong complaint ng customers. So, could be diagnosis of engine management system, fuel management controls, or other electronic support systems. So, depende yun. Now, personnel are trained upon latest procedures and techniques. So, they are given yung kung anong available sa market. Now, although yung materials come directly from vehicle manufacturers, so, up to date sila sa latest na pagre-repair na style and procedures na iba-ibang approach yan. So, depende sa situation. Now, of course, customers, they bring their cars in. So, customers and their vehicles are scheduled based on a first-come, first-served basis. Kung maaga dumating yung customer, kung na yung kotse niya, ayusin. We always try to make sure that the vehicles are, one, diagnosed correctly para isang bisita lang ng customer. Two, inaayos yung problema ng kotse. And then three, we always double check on what the problem was. So, may quality control kami. Customers, if they are satisfied with your work, lalo na first-time customers, ang tendency nila babalik sa'yo.
Okay.
So, kung hindi sila masaya, hindi mo na sila makikita. Yun lang naman ang case na yun eh. Most of dealerships will perform yung kung tawagin nila customers feedback. Tawag sila sa customer, alam nila kung satisfied ba yung customer sa service or hindi. Kami, we just rely on returning customers. Usually, ang customers namin nagre-recommenda ng ibang customers namin. In my line of business, maliit lang kami. We don't compete. We actually help each other. So, hindi mo masasabing competition kasi nagtutulungan kami. Okay?
So, wala competition?
Kadalasan wala. Everybody has their own clientele. Everybody has their own little expertise. So, kanya-kanyang field lumalabas. Although pareho kayong gumagawa ng kotse, ang expertise ng isang shop, pwedeng European ang expertise namin Japanese.
Ito po si Kuya David. Tatanungin po natin siya kung Kuya David, ano yung mahirap sa trabaho niyo bilang pintor?
Ano, mag-script to metal.
Mag-script to metal. Medyo mahirap po ba talaga yun? Ano bang ginagawa niyo?
Kasi palalabas yung lata.
So, kung may pintura ng kotse, tatanggalin mo pa yung pintura yun. Kuya David, pagkatapos nyo pong tanggalin yung pintura ng kotse, makikita na po natin yung pinaka-yero, pinaka-lata. Ano po ang susunod na gagawin doon? Pipinturahan na po ba kaagad?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Lililiyahin mo pa yun.
Liliyahin.
Tapos papatuhan mo ng anti-corrosion.
Anti-corrosion, ibig sabihin para hindi kalawangin.
Primer yun, primer.
Primer. Ano pa po? Tapos, pintura na?
Hindi pa. Halimbawa, kung may mga medyo may tama pa, mamasilyan po.
Mamasilyahan pa. Kaya pala kanina, merong nagmamasilyahan.
Kagaya nung gano'n, no?
Ang mahirap sa pagiging pintor, yun ang mahirap ng trabaho nila. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat, Kuya David.
Service process starts from the arrival of the customer. In a auto shop, when customer arrives, it is the mechanic's job to ask the customer what they need or to verify the problem or the complaint to their vehicle.
Anong problema?
Malamig yung air dito.
Ay, yung aircon? O sige ma'am, hintayin na lang po muna kasi tapos titignan ko, babalikan ko po kayo doon.
After the problem verification, the next step is to diagnose the problem of the car. And then, after determining the actual problem of the car, the analysis of solution will be the next step of the process. After the mechanic determined what solution is appropriate to the problem, it is time to do the actual work. The process does not stop on the actual work. The shop makes sure that the car will not have any problem anymore. So they took quality inspection before releasing the car back to the owner. And that's how service process of Autoshop is being done. For our analysis of check engine Autoshop, we made a service blueprint of their paint job. Paint job service starts from the customer's arrival. The process goes along like other process. But as you can see, the actual process depends on the decision of the customer, whether they accept the service with the cost given by the company. If the customer agrees, the company will contact the suppliers for the materials needed for the service, and also the company will give the needed time for the car to be fixed. After the ordered materials arrive, it is the start of doing the actual process. After doing all the process, the customer will return at the time given by the company. It is also the time for the quality inspection. The company will allow the customer to also observe if there is something wrong with their car. If there is, the car will be under diagnosis and service process again. If there are no problems anymore, it is the time for the customer to pay for the service in order for their car to be released. For our recommendation, we made a house of quality. We asked sample of customers of what they want or what do they expect in an auto shop, and then we rank those wants in what is most important and least important for the customer. After determining the customer's wants, our group determined what will be the appropriate things to be done to achieve those wants. Lastly, we rank those things according to usefulness to achieve or attain the customer's wants. This house of quality may help the company to improve their service and improve their profit. From this project, me and my groupmate learned a lot and helped us understand what the service management is all about. We hope that you learned something from this video.
Let's go! Yeah, tropa, you know what it is. Kailanman mananatiling malupit. Yeah, tropa, fuck the corruption. From the city slums to the province. Reppin' my chain, yeah, I'm coming from the Philippines. Filipino, 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 Filipino. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, where my people at. Filipino, 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 Filipino. Sky flakes, snapback. Philippines round my neck, Filipino swag. I know I can make it, all I need is a simple phrase.